Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add custom domain to your Wed2c store. So the very first thing that you should do here is you have to make sure that your account or your application is updated. Just update it on your App Store or Play Store. Now after that, you just have to open your application. Okay, and then right here, before we add a custom domain, we have to make sure that all of the information in our account are correct. Okay, so first you have to go to the mine section. So this one, your profile, and then click on the gear icon or the settings at the top right over your screen. Okay, this one, just click on this icon. Now right here, let's start with our photo. So when you click on the photo, you can upload here your photos from your album or take a new one. Now for your name, so click on your name. So you have your first name and your last name. So it is very important that these informations are correct. The next one we have this. Okay, so your linked email. So you have to make sure that all of the, your email is verified. And then for the third party site link, you have to connect your Facebook and your Google account. And then if you want to connect your WhatsApp or chat autoresponders, you can do that as well. Then for your country, I have to make sure that your country or region is correct. Okay, and then for the date of birth, and then your careers. So we have your influencer. Then for product preferences. Okay, so now that we are done with the settings, let's go now to the store section. So this one at the bottom center. That's right, and click on the gear icon or the settings at the top right of your screen. Okay. Then after that, let's go to the store name or your logo. So when you click on the store name or logo, you have to make sure that the name of the store that you are going to use is correct as well, because we are going to use that as our domain later on. Okay, so when you scroll down right here, you have your private domain. Okay, so if you want to customize this one or add a private domain right here, you just have to click on it and then you have to turn it on. So basically, this is the name of our domain or the name of our store. So that's why I told you that it's very important to change the name of your store accordingly. Okay, so let's try to change the name of our store by turquoise sent. And then after that, just click on save. Now let's go back to our private domain. Okay, and then once it processes, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now the new name for your store. So for your private domain, you just have to paste it right here. And then for the domain access with www support, you just have to toggle switch on for this one and click on the next step option. Okay, so make sure that you have your private domain right here before you proceed. But for this example, I cannot show you my domain since I'm just using this account for our video tutorial. Okay, so next step, so right here, just have to follow the step below. So you have step 1 to step 4. And you also have here the tutorials. So if any confusion, you just have to check the following tutorials in this link. And then once you're done, just have to click on the submit option. Now, having a custom domain for your website is important because it makes your site look more professional and trustworthy. Instead of using a long or generic web address, you can add a custom domain. It helps people to remember your business easily. And of course, it will improve your chances of showing up on search engines like Google, making it easier for customers to find you. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.